Hey guys, this is Gareth here from Perth Polishing and Protection in Western Australia. You're watching Beneath the Surface. My name is Gareth Jones. My company is Perth Polishing and Protection, based in Western Australia. I've been in the automotive industry for about 16 years, with about 5 years detailing. Basically, I did some travelling and then I wanted to be self-employed, but still be involved in the automotive industry. Obviously, to start a mechanical workshop, there's a lot more involved and cost and time to start mechanical. And yeah, I enjoyed keeping vehicles clean and maintaining them, so detailing was sort of the next step. Started mostly doing mobile detailing to office buildings and things like that, and then just evolved into my passion was for the paint correction and polishing, and naturally I needed good products to use for that, and yeah, found IGL. So it was through another IGL detailer here in Western Australia, Primal Detailing, and he called me to give him a hand with a job one day, and I was asking about the products he was using, and he introduced me to our Australian distributor. Yeah, and more talks with Eamon, with the Australian distributor, and just yeah, it was decided it was a good company to work with, and easy products to use. So it was a good match. Well, especially with the ceramic coatings, obviously the clients are a lot higher end now, nicer vehicles coming through, and it's allowed me to go from mobile to having my own workshop, and yeah, just expanding the clientele really. Knowing that you're going to have the clientele coming in when you initially start the workshop, it's a bit of a big step, but it's been pretty steady. I've had, even with the pandemic and everything, it's still been fairly steady throughout. We've been lucky in Western Australia, obviously. Not so many lockdowns and things like that, but yeah, it's been fairly steady actually. Not too many challenges. I guess word of mouth is the biggest one. I do jobs for people, and then they promote the vehicles themselves, show their friends and family, and especially in the car clubs and things that I'm in. Yeah, basically it self promotes really. People want their vehicle to look the same as one that we've done before, so they want to bring it to me. So yeah, it's good. Would have to be Kenzo. It's our most popular coating. I have people now calling and asking for Kenzo specifically, so the name is getting out there, and people really do like the product. So I do use a lot of the IGL Multi for interior cleaning stains. I've used them on in office buildings, even on office chairs and all sorts of things like that. It's a very good multi-purpose cleaner, so it's very versatile. To see the business continue to grow, really. Enjoying the vehicles that are coming in, and yeah, just watching it expand and grow, really. I don't have one particular vehicle. I like working on the classic muscle cars, classic vehicles, and classic Japanese cars as well. Anyone that's involved in the same sort of scene or car clubs that I'm involved in, it's good to work on those vehicles, and then I can go out cruising with them on the weekend as well. Yeah, so mostly going to the car events. Most weekend there's at least one event on. So I get my car ready and I go to a car event. Then working on our own property. So we've recently bought a house and doing renovations. That you have to start from the bottom and work your way up, and you know, focus and keep working, and it will pay off. I see some guys trying to start at the top, but you need to put in the work like anything else, and build your business and your clientele, and you'll build a name for yourself doing it that way. To expand to a bigger workspace, really. So I can have multiple vehicles here at one time, and then obviously look at having some employees as well. At the moment, I'm doing everything myself. So in the future, to have someone helping and doing some polishing and things for me as well. I would say quality be the word. As I said before, the products all do what they say they're going to do. So I'd say, yeah, quality is right on there. No big announcements at the moment, but as I say, just continue to grow and expand. Hopefully next year with a bit more freedom in the world, that people will be able to focus more on other things. And yeah, just allow us to continue to grow and expand further next year. Hi to everyone that's watching. Thanks for watching the video, and if you're looking for some great products, head to IGL, and if you're looking for polishing and protection in Western Australia, to come and have a chat with us at Perth Polishing and Protection.
Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.